kicking the good. Yeah,
DJ Alex. Yo, Rich, we got DJ Alex here, my grandson.
DJ Alex in the house. Young and upcoming, huh?
Brian A. Sounds in the back.
And wait, like the Dutch don't care.
Feel that whip for whip. Let me hear you say,
oh yeah, oh yeah.
We don't care.
Right here, Rich, you're on live, you're on live, you're on live.
I'm on live?
You're on live, right there, right there, right there. Look at the camera.
Yo, what up, baby? We right here, VJ Park with DJ O. Shout out to Big Butch and company. This is what we do it every day. Stop the violence. This is what we about. All positive, no negative. Keep your heads up, mics up, guns down. Shout out to Big Butch. This is how we do it. And the Family Jones. Peace.
Divine Sounds. Yo, July 30th, come check them out.
All day, baby. We gonna do it up, baby.
That's right.
AC stand next to me. He's nice, so nice.
Hey, AC went to the back.
You jiggling, baby. Yeah, baby. You jiggling, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Whatever happened to the real MC?
I got some of them. Number 2.
Mr. Magic and the voice of Factor, case to free, that's more the notorious B.I.G. Master J1 DMC, the disco forces and Leslie G. Sugar Daddy called TNT. Without them, there is no me. Ain't no party like old school warriors, old school party.
Say what? Whatever happened to the real MCs? These cats today, they be sounding like, oh, man, they want me to like my voice, change my tone, shit. I might as well give you this microphone. Halloween is over, baby. No Manila in Manila, baby. No Manila in Manila.
And you know we don't give up. We gon' always back. It's your birthday. My sister always back. It's your birthday. And you know we don't give up.
You brought me in the
Go David, it's your birthday. Go David, it's your birthday.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday, David. Go, David. Save the last cake for me.
Welcome to World Session. I am Jeremiah. Money in the building. Ladies, let's go.
That's a mix point.
Butch DjBBFJ and Divine Sound with King Strings. Stop the violent show. DJ OJ, DJ O Jedi of Mics Up, Guns Down shows.
Hey, OJ.
Hey, how you doing? Yeah, nah, don't worry. I'm always here. I've been doing this 22 years. I've been doing that tonight on 19 years. the big ones first. The big ones like I take, they're going in the living room.
Oh, you got this too.
Yeah, I got it right here. Yo, why you think I ain't bring the other 18? You hear me? That's enough. And then I kept showing Rich and E-Nice. This E-Nice hard drive got a virus. How come my shit play good? And then when I plug his shit in, you understand?
Yeah, I heard that. That's what I'm saying. I can't think. I'll tell you it sounds like
Trust me, I already know what it is. And then Grimy trying to fucking steal. Grimy.
Who?
Grimy. He trying to steal. That's why I sent the camera home. I was calling you to tell you when I was there to watch it.
He's going around, looking around and
Looking in the bag, and shit. Yo, trust me, the camera see it. Let me see this guy fucking up. Huh? Be nice. You ain't with the hot dog.
He left?
You ain't with the hot dog. It's mine. Huh? That was mine. This is my stuff. You don't want it? No. Okay, don't worry. Let's go. Let's go.
When he said he's gonna bring the other speaker.
Oh, the mic?
Yeah.
Huh?
He's still there, right?
Oh,
Good. You good.
yeah.
Drop me home.
That's
Oh,
good.
he gonna drop you home?
That's
You
good.
gotta pay him or he's
No, because I told him
He said no.
What?
because I told him I was leaving. He said, "Where you going, man?" I said, "I'm going to go home."
I told you, he said he was coming to Long Island and pick you up.
It sounds better like that.
Huh?
Sound like
What?
that?
Sound like that sound better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, keep it up.
See, they put up too high.
Look at this. I don't have that high.
Yeah.
See that? Look at it, kid. I don't never have that like
He
that.
can have it. That's too high.
I keep it like that. I might turn that one like that. You understand? I didn't turn that way
They
there.
turn that shit up like that.
And then he keep turning that one to him. For what? Turn that shit back out there. You understand?
But he used to, he not used to like
you
me.
need a monitor. No, you
Yeah,
need a monitor.
yeah.
Nigga, hey yo, you supposed to bought you a monitor.
No. When motherfuckers do that shit, that means you ain't a real fucking DJ. You never had that shit. Was I lying on that?
Yo, Tony.
You turn the speaker around and you can't hear shit.
Tony, look who here.
Yeah, big time, baby.
VIP in effect.
I gotta go there Monday.